Hello YouTube. Today I would like to show you how to perform a cyclone attack on the Binance Smart Chain targeting towards Pancakeswap. The first step you're going to need to do is go to remix.ethereum.org, and I'll put all these links down in the description. Please confirm the links. They're the same ones I put down. Someone didn't copy my video and change the links and whatnot. And then you're going to want to come over to, once this loads, you'll come to the File Explorer, create a new file, and we're going to call this, we'll just call it mycontract.sol. You can really name it whatever you want, but it has to end in .sol. And I'll put a link down to this code in the description. I'm going to go ahead and slowly scroll up so you can confirm the link you went to is the same code. Make sure someone didn't switch the links and have some malicious code in there. Okay. Now we're going to go over to, we're going to drop down from here and go to the compiler. And mine's already set for the right compiler, but you might have to go down here and change it to this version right here, the 0.5.17. Make sure it's set there. Hit compile, and now compile up. And if everything compiles correctly, you should get a green check mark here. And there we go, right there, green check mark. Then we're going to go down and we're going to go to deploy and run. Environment, we want to change the environment to inject web3. And this should be connected. Okay, so we're connected on there. You're also going to make sure in your MetaMask you have some BNB. You probably need a minimum about 0.1 BNB in there. And for this attack, you're going to use 3 different tokens. You're going to use the BUSD, the CAKE, which is the pancake token, and the Trust Wallet token, which is the TWT. And how much you use is up to you. You're going to want to use an equal amount of each one. So you're going to have to use an equal amount of each one of these for this attack. And you want to make sure, of course, these are the BEP20 tokens, which they should be if they're in your MetaMask. So we've changed the environment to Web3. We're going to go down here to contract. And we're going to go down to the contract you just made called the Cyclone Attack BSC. And that's the name of the contract we just made. But make sure it's on the Cyclone Attack. Then we're going to hit deploy. And we're going to use a tiny bit of gas to launch it. Not very much. Go to confirm. And then after confirms down here on deployed contracts, it should appear down here. Boom. Okay, confirmed. And now we have our contract down here. So click on copy. This is going to be the address to our new contract. There's also a little thing here you can drop down. And there's an action button. Now before we run the action button, we're going to make sure we fund our contract. So we're going to go over here, go to assets. Hang on, I'm on the wrong. Okay, yep, that's the right one. Okay. So I'm going to go here and go to send. I'm going to send the first. I'm going to send the BUSD over to the contract. So first you're going to want to send all the tokens to your contract before you send the BNB, because you have to use some of the BNB to send the tokens. So it has to be in the order of sending the tokens first, then you send the BNB, but don't send all your BNB because you're going to have enough to run this action to run the attack. Oh, go to confirm. I think we send tokens. It does a double confirmation, so you have to click confirm again, or it won't. Like I was just sitting there waiting for it to actually send. Then we're going to go back to, so while that sends, we're going to go back to that one. We're going to send the Trust Wallet token. We're going to send all of it. Okay. I'm going to send the cake. Send max. Confirm. I'm still waiting on there. Waiting on that one. So you want to make sure before you send the BNB. Those are still confirming. I don't know if I sent the... Oh, wait a minute. I didn't send... Okay. So for the BNB, I didn't actually send anything. I need to go to send to the contract, and go max. I must have sent 0. No, not BNB, but the BUSD I sent 0. So let's go ahead and send the 100 over. And the amount you want to do is up to you, but it just has to be the equal amount of each token, each 3 of them. Because the way the attack works. And when that's done, okay, now it should be all sent over. So now I can send some gas money. Now, the person who made this contract says you should have at least 0.1 BNB and gas to run it. I found I can run it for a little bit less. So I can run the whole thing for the 0.1 BNB, including that and the action. So I'm going to send over 0.07, but to be safe you probably should follow his instructions and send the 0.1 BNB to your contract, so you just don't actually run it with no gas. That's just all I had right now at this very minute of the BNB, so that's what I'm doing. Taking the risk. And when that sends through, that should leave me enough BNB. Okay, so I have enough BNB now to run this action. Now, running this action, since we have everything's already, you want to make sure everything is sent and completed. You don't want anything pending being sent, so everything's sent, everything's completed. Now we're going to send the action. And it's going to say gas estimate occurred. Okay. Send transaction. Sometimes you get... Oh, hang on. Wow. Insufficient funds. Maybe I do need a... I never had that happen before. Maybe I need to send some more BNB over. Okay, I'm going to pause it. Put some more BNB in there. Okay, I funded my contract with some more BNB. Now I can run the action. Or not funding my contract, but I funded my my MetaMask with some more BNB in there. So now I can actually run the action and run the attack. There we go. Now we'll go to confirm. It should run. And we have some transactions going through. Let's see what we have in our wallet. Let's see. Now you won't earn more. You won't get more BNB in this attack. You get more of the 3 different tokens. Oh my god. So we started off with 100 in each one of these. And your profit won't be the equal to the amount. You do have to put the equal amount of tokens in, but it doesn't mean you'll get the equal amount of tokens back. Wow, that's just the BUSD right there. That's $2,600. I don't know how much that is in Trust Wallet. I think Trust Wallet right now is at 60 cents or something for each one. Cake is at $10. So that's, wow, that's times 10. That's over, I think that's over $10,000 in just Cake there. So this attack, I had a little bit of doubts on this attack. This attack is very, very effective. So thank you for watching, and please give me a thumbs up on my videos, and please subscribe. And I hope this helps other people during the pandemic. It has really helped me. It just really helped me just right now too. Oh my Lord. Okay. Well, thank you, and have a great day.